2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.